All right, so you complete your assignment. How do you save? First, go up to your red A on the far left of your screen. Click on that, then go down and hit save, and then save it to the location that you want to save. You can also export it to whatever file you want if you prefer to do that. So you can just export it. It's going to be a PDF. I'm going to go to my document, for example, drawing 2 PDF. I hit that. It's safe for me. Let's go and take a look at that real quick. So I'm going to go to my documents, drawing 2. That right there is the drawing that I got, but you can see the background will be white. So be careful on what you do. Second thing that you can do to submit your assignment. Let me open it back up. Make sure that you save them first, of course. And to submit them to the format that your whoever wanted, you just make sure that you can go ahead and snip it. So click on snip, and then all you can do is click on new when you have the snip, and then drag it through, draw a rectangle basically through whatever you want. Now it's going to be a file like this, and you can save them as a JPEG or a PDF or whatever you want to save it as. All right, so that's how you save the thing. Also on your keyboard there is screenshot. You can use that button on your keyboard there. You can do that.